Okay, freshwater fishing novices, new viewers, this is an important question. And you probably have it if you started fishing, if you're new to fishing. Brand new? Yeah, brand new. You might not even have a spinning reel or a rod yet, and you're thinking about doing it, and you might have a question about the spinning reel. And just like the title of this video, how do I tighten the drag on my spinning reel? The drag on your reel changes the tension on the line that can be pulled off of the reel. So for example, if you loosen up the tension of the drag, which is right here, if you loosen it all the way up, you can just pull fishing line off, no problem. No tension, it will just come right off. If you tighten it all the way down, you won't be able to pull it off. Now, there's some times that you want the line really tight. If you're using fluorocarbon or monofilament, you don't want to tighten down your drag all the way. You do want to tighten it up though. And here's the reason why you want to tighten it up. You want it tight enough to be able to fight the fish back, but if the fish wants to run, you want it to be able to pull drag, not all the drag. You want it to not snap the line if it pulls. I think I've heard people say you said about 80% for the drag. If your line is 10 pounds, you only want like 8 pounds of drag on your reel. Or yeah, that's right. I said it correctly. The way I do it is, let's get the line out of here. So normally it's on the rod, but that's pretty loose. How do I tighten it? Well, just like a screw, it's gonna be righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if you're looking at the reel, right here, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's easy. How much do I tighten it down? Ooh, less than that. I wanna be able to pull it out, but I wanna actually have to, like my muscle flex to pull it out. Now, this is 10-pound line, so I'm trying to pull out 8 pounds of pressure, and I'm not using all my strength. But it's certainly not easy. I also don't want to cut my hand when I'm doing this, so you might want to wear a glove. But that's about how much drag I set on my 7-foot medium. I think it's a fast action rod. That's how you set your drag and how you tighten it down. Hopefully that answered your question about how do you tighten your drag down. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Easy enough. You can always give this video a like if it helped you out, and now you know how to set a drag on your spinning reel. You can leave a comment if you have another question that maybe I haven't covered. If you're not subscribed, just trying to help everyone become better anglers. So do me a favor, slap the hell out of that subscribe button and make sure you are alerted that every time I put out a new video, hopefully helping you become a better angler, or at least figure out how to learn how to fish. Yeah, that's it. All right, thanks for watching this week. Hope you have a good weekend, night, day, whatever time it is. James, I hope you're feeling better after your surgery. I'll catch you guys next week.